Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video we're going to be doing some more work on our VT Burnout car. We've got some wheels to go on down there, just some cheapies off Marketplace, but a lot better than what's currently on it, with really bald semi-slicks, and only one semi-slick and then 120 on this side, so she's a bit uneven at the moment, so that's why we've got them. We're going to go through and change out the fuel pump. We're going to put a Walbro 460 in it, so we're going to have to pull the tank out. And we're going to do a variety of other things. Not too sure yet, but we'll see what we get up to. So take a seat, grab a drink, grab some food, and enjoy. Tell me.
Righto, so we've installed the 460 now. Obviously we've removed the old one. We've used a heat gun to heat up this hard line and pulled it off the factory fuel pump, and then used the heat gun to put it back on. We've also used some tie wire to secure it to make sure it stays on if we have any dramas or if it gets over pressure or whatever. We removed, there was a little filter off the bottom of there. We've removed that because the pump has its own filter now. VTs are set up a bit different to VYs that we've done previously. So yeah, done the wiring, wired in, soldered, connection, just ready to drop the pump back in now and put the tank back in.
we've pulled the bash bar off the VT. We've just got it on the bench here. What we're going to actually do is we're going to mount the trans cooler straight to the bash bar. Just, it's easy to do, and if we ever need to move it around off the car and whatnot, it's nice and easy to do. So it's actually going to work out quite nicely. And we have got a pretty beefy ProFlow trans cooler going on it. So we will see how we go with this. Bit late, but trans cooler is mounted and looking pretty good. Alright, so trans cooler's on, bumpers on, and she's looking pretty good. So that's us done for today, I think. Next week, I don't know what we'll get up to, but we'll get up to something else on this thing. We've only got, 7 more weeks till Power Cruise. So if you're enjoying the journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment, all the usual stuff, guys. It helps a load. Catch you in the next video.